Welcome back. We are now going to need to navigate back to our file manager or our FTP program. We're going to need to go back to the directory where we know Sendy is. And once we double click that directory, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Uploads folder, and then we're going to right click that folder, and then we're going to click File Permissions. What we're going to do is we're going to give all permissions to write and then leave all permissions at 777. So the numeric value should be 777 in this box. And we are then going to click OK. We should then be able to navigate to our Sendy installation. And we should navigate to the place where we installed it in our server. We should get a screen that looks like this. And then we are ready to then go through the installation process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.